Thinking about setting up an LLC in Delaware? You're looking at some serious perks that can make your business journey smoother. Let's explore what makes Delaware such a go-to spot for entrepreneurs, whether you're based here or abroad. Plus, I'll outline the key steps to get your LLC off the ground without the stress, and share insider tips to keep your benefits intact. Starting with the advantages, Delaware has carved out a reputation for business friendliness. First, privacy is a big draw. Unlike many states, forming an LLC here doesn't require listing owners' names in public records. All you need is the LLC's name, your registered agent's details, and your signature as organizer. Federal laws do require a beneficial ownership report. You'll file this with the government, but it stays private, not public info. Then there's the Court of Chancery. This specialized court handles business disputes with expert judges well-versed in corporate law. It simplifies resolving conflicts without lengthy litigation, giving your business that extra layer of legal certainty. Asset protection doesn't lag behind. Delaware's charging order protections for single-member LLCs are strong. They guard against personal lawsuits threatening your company assets, helping keep your business safe even if you're targeted individually. Of course, these laws apply within Delaware's jurisdiction, so if your LLC operates elsewhere, the protections might differ. Here's the deal. Many out-of-state entrepreneurs still form their LLCs here, but forming it in your home state often means fewer hassles. You avoid unnecessary fees, compliance issues, and legal hurdles across state lines. So, think carefully about where your business primarily operates. Now, what does it take to form one? It's straightforward in 6 steps. 1. Pick a name. Make sure it has LLC or similar isn't already used and matches naming rules. Run a free search on the Delaware Department of State's website to verify availability. Want to keep options open? Reserve the name for 120 days for $75. 2. Choose your Delaware registered agent. You need a person or company that resumes serve as your official point for legal notices. It can be you or an authorized service like FilingFox. This step keeps your legal process smooth. 3. File the certificate of formation. Submit this document online or by mail along with a $90 fee. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid delays. Including a cover sheet with your contact info helps the state reach out if needed. 4. Draft an operating agreement. Though not required by law, it's highly advisable. It spells out ownership, management, and operating rules, preventing future disagreements. Use guides or templates if you like. It's worth the peace of mind. 5. Obtain an EIN. The IRS grants this tax ID for free. It's essential for banking, hiring, and tax filings. You can apply online, convenient and fast. 6. As of 2024, you'll also need to file a Beneficial Ownership Information Report, BOI. This identifies the true owners of the LLC. The filing window is between January 1st, 2024 and January 1st, 2025. If you're newly forming your LLC, file within 90 days of registration. The good news? It's free, but ignoring this obligation results in hefty fines, up to $500 daily. To keep your privacy protected, many choose professional help. Using a service like FilingFox's trusted partners ensures your personal info stays confidential, as these services can act as your registered agent for a modest fee. That way, your name and address aren't splashed across public records, reducing spam and unwanted contacts. Maintaining your LLC is simple. Delaware doesn't require annual reports, saving you time, but you will owe an annual franchise tax of $300 by June 1st each year. Failing to pay can lead to penalties and interest. Even if your LLC opts for tax treatment as a corporation, you won't need to file an annual report, which simplifies ongoing compliance. When it comes to taxes, Delaware taxes LLC earnings at 2 levels: personal income tax on your share of earnings and corporate taxes if you elect to be treated as a corporation. The personal income tax ranges from 2.2% to 6.6%. Corporate income tax is 8.7%. Plus, business owners should consider the gross receipts tax and property taxes depending on the nature of their business. Starting your LLC is more than just filing paperwork. It involves opening a business bank account, obtaining business licenses, and securing appropriate insurance. These steps lay the groundwork for smooth operations. To wrap up, forming a Delaware LLC offers notable legal protections, privacy advantages, and a reputable legal system. For those out of state or abroad, enlisting professional services like FilingFox can streamline the process, ensuring you meet all legal requirements without hassle. Think of it as an investment in peace of mind so your business can focus on growth. If you're ready to explore further, resources and guides are available in the description below. And for any questions or tailored guidance, reach out to us at info@filingfox.com. We're here to help you build your business securely and efficiently.